Hey there, everyone! What a super awesome day it's been! Guess what? Today's English homework is all about something cool called object pronouns. Can you believe it? But do you want to know what it's about? Alright, let's dive in. Okay, so imagine this. You're chatting about a friend, and instead of saying their names over and over, we use a special words called object pronouns. They are like magical shortcuts. So if I say, Sarah lent a book to Tom, instead of saying Tom's name again, I can use an object pronoun like Sarah lent him a book. Right? You like it? Let's crack the code of these object pronouns together. Let's go. Okay. Let's open the homework and... Wow! Oh, what am I doing here? Okay, I think that this is a game, and I'm pretty sure that if I solve the challenges about object pronouns, I can get out. I bet we can do it. Okay, let's read the first challenge. It says, I love flowers. Give them to... Okay, we have two options. Give them to I or give them to me. What does it sound better? To me, right? Yes, that is the first object pronoun. So I think that that is the right option. Is it? Yes! Okay, the bottom now is a little bit larger. Good. Second challenge. Today is Sarah's birthday and her friends make a cake for she or for her. Her friends make a cake for she? No, I think it's her. Yes, that is an object pronoun, so let's just use that one. Yes! Look, we got a small ladder. All right, I think we almost have it. Let's go for the third challenge. Tom was with his brother, but I didn't see he or I didn't see him. What is the object pronoun? I'm a bit confused. I would say he. Oh no! The ladder just vanished. Oh, what can I do now? Oh, I'm really sorry, guys. Let's do the fourth challenge and see if we can really get over. I am going to the cinema with my sister, and Mom gave we or gave us the ticket? Gave we the ticket? No, I need a hint. Come on, show me again the object pronouns. All right, we have them here. Me, you, him, her, it, you. Us! Us is the right one. Yes, Mom gave us the tickets. Am I right? Oh, yes! Look at this! Wow, look at this rope! Oh, wow! It rescued me! I loved it! Good! Remember, the object pronouns are the shortcuts we use to not be using the same names and subjects over and over. Let's keep learning!
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, ready to keep learning with us? Today we're going to work with the object pronouns. But what are the object pronouns? Let's read the explanation. Are short words we use to not repeat the same subject over and over. See the examples in here. Me. Imagine you have a cookie. If someone gives the cookie to you, they give it to me, okay? Yes, give me the cookie, all right? So give the cookie to me or give me the cookie. Both are okay, yeah? And what about you? Now, if someone gives something to you, it's you. So give the toy to you, all right? This is for you. And then him and her for she and he. If someone is talking about a friend or someone else and they give something to him, a boy, or her, a girl, it's like give the book to him, give the book to Tom, give the book to Lucas, give it to him. Or for a girl, give the book to Sarah, give the book to Laura, give the book to her. Then us, it's like me and someone else, my friends, me and my friends. When someone is for all of us, something is for all of us, it's us. Like give the candies to us. We love chocolate. Me and my brother, me and my friends, we love chocolate. So give the chocolate to us, okay? And then, them, when it's for a bunch of friends or others, like they like chocolate, give the chocolate to them. Not to me, not to you, not to her, not to him, not to us, but to them, okay? So let's do the first activity. Find the object pronoun in the following sentences. What subject are they talking about? All right, I have a black pen and I have some markers, okay? See that you can use a pencil, you can use crayons, up to you. Let's start reading. I love eating pizza, so please give me the last slice. Okay, so me is the object pronoun, right? Me. And me talks about the subject, I. So we are going, what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to use the green marker, and I'm going to make a line to I. Me is talking about I, myself, all right? Now let's go and read the number 2. If you are late, I'll keep a seat for you. Okay, you is the object pronoun that it also is written the same way as the personal. And you is talking about who? About this personal pronoun, you. If you are late, I'll keep a seat for you. Laura is a good dancer. We have to give her. Her is the object pronoun. And what is the subject? We have to give her. Give who? Give Laura. So her is talking about a girl, Laura, a music player. Tom likes cooking, so we can ask him. Him is the object pronoun again, and him goes with Tom. All right, it's referring Tom. So let's go and circle Tom. Well done. Lucas and I are good friends. People always find us together. Us is me and someone else. Lucas and I. Okay, Lucas and I. So this is the subject, us is talking about. And then finally, children lost their toys. We should help them. Children lost their toys. We should help them. So we put this one here. Them is the object pronoun. And who is talking about? Like them. Them is talking about the children. Children lost their toys. Okay? So this is it, people. Very good job. Okay, remember that object pronouns are words we use to not repeat the same subjects over and over. So I love pizza. I love eating pizza. So please give me the last slice, right? Like this one. Good job.